Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I made taco meatballs and rice. This came out super good. So this is 1 pound of ground beef. I'm adding 1 egg, 1 packet of taco seasoning, half of a green bell pepper, and 3/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. You can use the Italian breadcrumbs, that's okay. Okay, so now I mixed everything together and I'm gonna form my meatballs. Now these meatballs have to be around the size of a golf ball. Okay, so make all your meatballs, and I had a skillet nice and hot on the side. Coat the bottom with a little bit of oil and cook all your meatballs. Cook them until they're a little toasty on all sides. They don't have to be all the way cooked because they will continue to cook once I cook them on top of the rice. But just cook them until they get nice and brown like this, but they could still be a little bit red inside. Then put them off to the side on a plate and discard most of your oil. You don't have to get rid of it all, just most of it. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a chopped onion and 2 garlic cloves. I'm gonna cook that for about 30 seconds. Then I added 1 cup of rice. This is jasmine rice. Now I'm gonna cook my rice, onions, and my garlic for about 4 minutes. I just want my rice to get a little toasted. Now I'm adding 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. I'm gonna cook that for about 30 seconds. And this is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a 14-ounce can of broth. I like using chicken broth for this. So now I'm gonna let it come up to a little bubble. You can see that it's bubbling a little bit, coming up to a boil. Now I'm adding all my meatballs back on top of my rice. Okay, so now I'm adding them all and I'm going to lower the heat to a simmer, cover it, and I'm gonna cook this for 20 more minutes. Okay, and after the 20 minutes, this is what you end up with. I'm telling you, there is tons of flavor in this. This really came out tasty. I got thumbs up from all my family. So these are my taco meatballs and rice. Thanks for watching.